Hello, good day. My name is Jonathan, and I'm starting a new series. I'm going to show us how we can quickly put up a new application without any delay. Let's say a customer has contacted you to build something for him or her, and you really need to show something. So PHP is one of the easiest programming languages that you can use to achieve that. In this series that I'm coming up with, I'm going to show us everything that we need to know. Anything that we all the tools that we need and the skills to prototype a project. um I'm going to be using PHP and MySQL, HTML, CSS to style, and the application I'll be putting up. I decided to choose a CRM application, Customer Relational Management System, which I have named CMS. Okay, so the idea is you have a customer base. As they patronize you, you take their information, you build a profile for them, and um, during festive period you send them goodwill messages. Birthday, you can send them birthday wishes. The system is going to be set up to do that. Okay, we are going to integrate everything, and you want a particular customer's delivery address, you query the system and get it. You don't need to rush looking for papers to do that and all those. um I'm going to set up a GitHub account to upload the source code for everyone to see. I have started the project, but I'm going to restart it again. So do not forget to subscribe so that anytime I upload new video, you can get a notification. And you can only get a notification if you click on that bell button beside the subscription button. So let's dive into it.